Hey, it's Sunday. Not super fun day, but got the bike up higher in the air. I have removed the lower links to the suspension. You can see the nitron shock there. I've been cleaning up the area as well. It's always important to access and clean. And I was going to do the swing arm, but I checked it. It's super smooth. I think I'll do the swing arm next time. It's just a real pain in the ass to do the swing arm as well. But you can see I got nice and clean in there. Regreased all the links. Whoa, I'm falling backwards. Okay, let's try that again. You can see from this side. Cleaning up here around the shock as well. There's that sweet Woodcraft case cover, well used. I gotta clean these old Brembos next, or maybe I'll throw on the other Brembos, the two-piece forged, since I'm planning to stick to the West Coast this year, next year, for 2019. For racing anyways. I might make a trip east for just rider training. But thinking about racing with the Washington Club, AFM, CVMA in California, and a little bit of Utah. So, and of course rider training mixed throughout. So I've done them all. I got them all cleaned up, all the needle bearings removed and cleaned and re-greased using the AMSOIL Dominator racing grease. Tubes cut down shorter, obviously. And of course did all these three as well. You want to take your time when you're doing the bearings, guys. You really want to get the grease in there and work it around each needle, not just on the surface. So I took a good amount of time to do that. And for those interested in how the steel bin looks, you know, as you walk through, you know, I got the bicycles in the air. I got some new plastics for the moto that's been winterized right now. You know, I got my tire rack. It's kind of dark back here anyways, guys, but lots of AMSOIL. Oh, looks like it wants to fall. Lots of ATF. Anyways, lots of helmets. And Falco boots and such. All spare parts. Anyways, stands, etc. Bunch of gear. Now I gotta start putting the tools away once I get the links back on. Rocking all my Seattle tools, of course, right? And just give you a quick look down on that. Pretty much this is what Seattle tools look like. You can see I put those pockets in there because it gets a little moist in the shop sometimes. But love my Seattle tools. And you know what's missing, because I know I have those in a different spot right now from my trip. And etc. In the trailer, I think they are. So you always know if your tools are missing or not. Here's some Imperial stuff. I was using some of those, but wrenches. Gotta love wrenches. What about some? And then of course I'm using these ones right now. They're out. I know where they are. Deep sockets. Electrical. All insulated, so you don't hurt yourself. Some more stuff. Some auto body stuff. More stuff. My Milwaukee drill, yeah. Anyways, and a whole bunch more and more and more. So then I gotta get under here and get all these stabilizers sent over to KFG, and old ones I got a couple of warranty, and KFG can do the other ones. Get them all refreshed, a little thicker oil. Here you can see this is an old tire here, SC0, 25 laps. I say it's around 40% left, 20% left, 25% left, 30%. So I grade all my tires with the laps and what event they were going at. There you can see right there, 25 laps, SC0, so when it's in the pile, it's easy to see. And of course rocking the Woodcraft rear sets here. Another Woodcraft case cover. This one's also taken a little fall. And those are the Hindle headers. AMSOIL EAM 122 filter. I am still rocking the fans now. I used to take them off, but now they're so light, that the fans on the BMWs, that I just decided to leave it on, so when it gets super hot in the parking lot returning to pit, the fan can rock out. And Radguard Australia Evo 1, these are those brake clutch protector. Just helps your bar not break when you fall, because when you hit the ground, boom, it just snaps your bar. But with this, it distributes the load on a wider surface so your bar will slide and not hit as hard. Anyways, guys, I gotta get back at it. Cheers.